Salve a tutti, Agata Sandrone in collaborazione con Silvana Restivo.
Hello everyone, I'm Agata Sandrone, and in collaboration with Silvana Restivo, we welcome you to this new reportage. Today we show you some objects which represent the folklore of our Sicily. Here is Bummolo, the tambourine, the marranzano, and the friscaletto made with reed.
Un tamburello rappresenta la nostra Sicilia. Qua abbiamo alcuni strumenti tipo un fiscaletto di legno.
Next to the friscaletto, we see one of the oldest games, a strummola, made of wood. A sharp piece of iron was inserted, around which a string was twisted. The most representative object of the Sicilian folklore is the cart. Next to it, an ancient oil lamp and a mostarda mold.
E a scopetta. Mentre qua abbiamo una vecchia lampada dove funzionava ad olio, mentre questa è una forma per la mostarda.
A miniature of a Sicilian water boat, Acquarolo. Some leaves of the dwarf palm, a plant widespread in the Mediterranean, with some artifacts made with leaves, such as curina, brooms, muscaroli, and coffa bags.
Ecco qua. Non so se è molto chiaro. Questa è una piccola scopetta.
The other objects are the drill used by the gonzalemme, ubracere, the vestments they used to put on the horse, and the ever-present zotta, the whip they used to incite the horse. Next to it is a small paladin that is part of the Sicilian tradition known all over the world. It is a show in which puppets are animated by the puppeteers that depict the exploits of the greatest medieval heroes who fought for Christianity against the Saracens. These scenes can be seen depicted in my table and in the side of the cart.
Ho questa allestimento e siamo fuori. Allora, questa invece è la sponda del carretto. Sempre che raffigurano le battaglie, i posti sempre dei paladini. Ecco qua. Questo strumento invece è un tricchebalacche.
It is an instrument of Saracen origin, consisting of 3 wooden hammers placed in the shape of a fan, of which the 2 lateral ones are movable and the central one fixed, so that by beating the lateral ones on the central one produces the sound that gives its name. Originally, it was played in battle. Then, by attaching tin plates to the outer side of the hammers, as a musical instrument to be the rhythm, or as a game instrument. As you can see, the tricchebalacche makes a repetitive and dull sound. The Nicolacci Palace of the Princes of Villa Dorata is a symbol that today, restored to its former glory, gives the dimension of the artistic wealth and opulence of the sender of Nettino in a period now past. An urban aristocrat residence of the Nicolacci family in full Baroque style. The interior is divided into 19 rooms, some of them lavishly decorated, such as the party hall. The restoration works of the 18th century palace have brought back strange images in the frieze that connects the walls and the frescoed ceiling. In that band, there is painted everything: masks, birds, still lifes with flowers and fruit, musical instruments, sometimes even uncommon ones, such as bagpipes and tricchebalacche. Esoteric symbols? With this, Agata Sandrone and Silvana Restivo give you an appointment to the next report.